Dear children, yesterday I was taught you history lesson first as a revision, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this lesson, unification of Italy and Germany taught you. Now or today, I will teach you visualizing the nation. Page number 22. Look at the page number 22. Visualizing the nation. Allegori, artists in the 18th and 19th century, found a way out by personifying nation. Nation were then portrayed as female figures. The female figures became an allegory of the nation. In France, the female allegory was Christian Mary. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and the republic, the red cap, the tricolor, the cockade. Germania became the allegory of the German nation. Germania wears a crown of oak leaves as the German oak stands for heroism. Nationalism and imperialism. By the last quarter of the 19th century, the nationalism no longer retained its idealistic liberal democratic sentiment. Instead, the nationalist group became increasingly intolerant with each other and were ready to start war. Balkans, the source of nationalist tension in Europe. The Balkans was a region of geographical and ethnic variation. It comprised modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, and Montenegro, whose inhabitants were broadly known as the Slavs. The large part of the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. The spread of the ideas of romantic nationalism in Balkans together with the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire made this region too explosive. The Balkan states were fiercely jealous of each other and each hoped to gain more territory from of the others, leading to First World War. Each power, Russia, Germany, England, Austro-Hungary, was keen to counting the hold of other power over the Balkan and extending its control over the area. This led to the series of wars in the region and finally the First World War. Nationalism, allied with the imperialists, led Europe to disaster in 1914. The anti-imperial movements that developed everywhere were nationalist because they all struggled to form independent nation state. People everywhere developed their own specific variety of nationalism. The idea that societies should be organized into nation state was accepted by the peoples as natural and universal. Now, important terms: absolutist, a government or system of rule without restraint on the power exercised. Utopian, an imaginary ideal society which principally does not exist. Nation state, the region in which the majority of its citizens and not only its rulers came to develop a sense of common identity and shared history or descent. Suffrage, the right to vote. Conservative, a political philosophy that stresses the importance of tradition, established institutions and customs, and prefer gradual development to quick change. Ethnic, the people of different identities living together, sharing common racial, tribal, or cultural origin or background. British nation, the amalgamation of different identities comprised of English, Welsh, Scot, or Irish lived in the British Isles. Algorithm, expression of idea are brought or thought through a person or a thing. Now, next day, important term learn and write. Next day.